Brother Black Spider here with another video, and I know it's been a long time since I've done these. This is a cologne review video of Versace Men Eau Friache. It was a gift, but I found some places where you can get this online for a decent price. It will be in the description box, and what we're looking at is this unique box that it comes in. I actually dig it. It's got like a snakeskin kind of design. It's awesome. Alright, now this might be one of the best bottles I have seen in a while. It's a very cool light blue, but let's get to the smell. It's a fresh, light, sweet smell that does better in indoor situations where people are closer to each other, like clubbing, than outdoors where it gets lost because it's not a projecting smell. Despite that, it's a good summertime cologne smell. Lengthwise, it's pretty strong at over 5 hours. Overall, I recommend this cologne. If you're looking for something, say for the club or any other outdoor gathering that's long lasting, that's not overwhelming smell wise, this is your cologne. This is Brother Black Spider, and I am out. Peace.